Jenny from A Journey with Jenny, and today I am I don't want to swear. Okay, I am so excited right now. Okay, I was driving by Huntington Beach. I was chilling here this morning, and on my way out, I literally saw this beautiful build out, and I was just like, oh my God, it is so beautiful. And luckily the owners are in it and they were willing to show me their place. So it's kind of like, what's that thing called? It's like a combination of Pimp My Ride and Cribs. Cribs. Okay, so let me show you what I saw. All right, so I'm driving by and it's like, okay, but then I see the wood. Look at this wooden door. And it's just like, I don't even know what this thing is, but then I saw them inside and then I just was like, what is this? It is so beautiful. For those of you who don't know, I literally just posted my post about my Carmen, and she's beautiful. She's over 200,000 miles now, and she's gonna bring me back to Boston. But I think that when I get back to Boston, I'm probably gonna sell her. She's not a snow girl. She's a summer baby, and I'm going to need to buy something new. I was thinking of buying a Toyota Sienna because I really want a minivan. I'm gonna go for that minivan life, and I really want to convert it. So as I've been learning about cars and doing everything that I'm learning about cars, I want to completely revamp the minivan so that it's me, you know, it's totally me. So I want to show you guys, like, literally, so Kelvin's the owner. He's not on social media. He's actually hiding, but maybe he'll show up. I'll let him choose for himself. But there's so many intricate details in this build out that I see right now, and it's so inspiring for me because it's literally showing me what I can create for myself, and for me to really plan out every little thing that I want in my beautiful Sienna. Her name is Serenity. I'm already naming her, and I just already can feel she's gonna be my home. And if she's gonna be my home, I want to make her perfect. She's gonna be perfect for me. She's gonna be everything that I want, and I will literally put all my blood, sweat, and tears into building her. So let me go show you. So when Kelvin invited me in, he said, rinse off my feet. So again, we're Asian, gotta take off our shoes, gotta have clean feet. Uh-oh, there we go, clean feet. And apparently this is, okay, I went a little bit overboard. I got a little wet. All right, so apparently this is hot and cold water. So the fact that we can rinse off our feet obviously is perfect for surfers, people with sand. Oh my God, but look at this. I don't even know, is this for water or for light or for other stuff or for keeping things dry? I don't even know. There's so many components. Okay, do you guys want to walk me through this, or should I just like be curious and
go ahead and
discover first?
Yeah, make your own discovery.
Okay. I'm guys, I'm on a journey right now. I'm on a like explore your own adventure journey kind of thing. You know what? Let me just close my car because nobody's gonna do anything. But let me just get my car keys and then lock up my car, and this is so fun. So I mean this is like a real life YouTube video, because honestly I've been noticing that even when I filmed my YouTube video, I was too lazy, or like I just didn't want to edit it. And I do like the nature of these Facebook Lives because I get to keep them, and maybe I'll put them onto YouTube later. But I like real live streaming. I realize I don't want to be editing. But okay, so I don't even know what kind of truck you consider this. What kind of truck is this? I don't know. But look, here is a garbage bin to throw out the waste. I like that it is, it has a lid, it's like metal. Ooh, he has a really small surfboard, so they must be really good at surfing. Anyone? But this is good because obviously this prevents animals from really getting into it. Raccoons. Ooh, I really like how high the tires are. They look like good tires. I don't know. Oh, it's another pocket hose. Maybe we need to extend it even out further. We got the wetsuits. I like the little touch of like the carpet.
You still doing the tour?
I am.
Oh
It's probably.
You know what? You can come inside.
Okay. All right. Are you okay to be on it or no?
You know, I'm dressed like this.
I'm okay. Are you okay?
I don't mind.
Okay. This is Kelvin. Say hi.
What's up?
Hello. So Kelvin is being so generous to give me a tour right now.
Okay, so come on in.
Yes.
All right. So I have my wood burning stove. This
Oh
is
wow.
awesome. This is awesome
Does it go through to the top?
Yeah, it goes
wow.
through the roof.
Out. Wow.
Yeah, so
That's
that
neat.
is being used during the winter months.
Yes.
A lot.
Yes.
And here's
Oh my. I love. Ooh,
Yeah.
this is
it's just
sturdy.
super- yeah.
This
yeah.
is so clean. I love that. Love it. Look at the great detailing. Looks very strong, sturdy, good
Hinges
metal.
and everything. Yes, now it's soft close.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, oh yeah, the gentle, slow close, not loud movements. Very, very intentional. Look at all these great containers, not glass in case things happen, plastic. Although this is glass, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but these are sturdy. I love this build out for the dishes.
Yeah.
And then there's, you know, 4 perfect amount that you need. The glasses, ooh, look at how great this is cut. Do you see that? For all the glass. No
Yeah.
movement. The bowl, look at this deep bowl. Very, very good bowl. Interesting too with this kind of structure. Why the lid here?
Well,
like why
you know
the
what? I think it's good for chopsticks.
Oh,
You
to
gotta
rest
put
your chopsticks
on
on it. Oh yes, to be Asian. Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
There you go. So we
Love
utilize
it.
chopsticks.
Yes.
So this is my closet.
Oh my god.
So it
This
has-
is
and
so
then you can
nice.
actually
Oh
bring
my
it
god, my head is so blown right now. That is
Yeah.
so fucking. Oh my goodness,
There's so
that
many
is
things
just
you
a
can do with it.
hinge.
Yeah, it's just a
yes,
hinge.
just a hinge.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I love. Oh, that is so clean, so simple, so nice. And look, even these the metal. Look at the
The
such
magnets,
detail. Yeah, magnets. And then you even have a light too. Is that automatic?
No, you just push a button.
Oh, I see. Okay, got it. Oh, that is so clean.
So this is
wow.
the closet, and
Yeah.
it's
Oh, you even have your Instapot.
my instant pot. Yeah. I
And
have
your
Peggy
blender.
Sweet blender. Everything goes in there.
Everything. Oh
Yeah,
my god,
it's
look at the
livable.
bag. Look at how you, oh my goodness, look at how clean.
Thanks.
And look at the string. So clever. So clever drilling through.
She's really into the details.
Yes,
love
I
that.
am.
You know what?
And I
Because
love your
I'm into the
salon.
details
This is
too.
so cool.
That's what I do for a living.
Oh, is it?
Yeah,
Oh
I'm
my
a
goodness, I
hairdresser.
want to dye my hair.
Oh, there you go.
I want to do
get an
perm.
ombre.
Yes,
Yeah.
I want to get an, well,
Oh,
I don't know, we'll
that's so
see.
California.
Yes.
And this is my shower.
Oh,
toilet bathroom.
wow. Oh. Okay, guys. Guys, I'm like now is literally getting blown right now. This bathroom is nicer than some actual bathrooms in real homes. And I'm just like, I didn't even think that it was gonna be possible for me to create something like this. But now that I've seen it, I know that it can exist. So guys, oh my god. Okay, you ready for this? Bam! Oh my goodness. Wow, look at this bamboo. Like I love this screening of the bamboo, and then even whatever material this is, it's gorgeous. And it slides so easily. The sliding is super intricate and really nice. And look at this hook here. And oh my goodness, is that how, wow. So it hooks on the, does it hook on the outside? Yeah, it looks like it hooks on the outside. So there's an outside hook, but then also clearly there's an inside hook. Wow, wow, wow. And look at the towel hook, the shower with the little towel. Oh my goodness, clean piping, clean, simple piping, so easy. You know that one is probably hot, one is cold. Turn it on, turn it off. Look at even this even the curtain, and it's so dry in here. And there's a freaking toilet. And then this thing here too. Oh my God, and there's even a ventilator to the outside. Oh my goodness, this is ingenious. It is ingenious. Your ventilator, your air, this.
Yeah.
It's
It takes off
so.
the condensation.
Yes, because everything in here is so dry. And then look at this up here in the shelving for the toilet paper, the towels, even little hooks. Oh my goodness. And then the lighting on this mirror, so clean. Oh my goodness. Look at this mirror, how thin it is. And then the lighting behind it, oh my goodness, it is so freaking, and it's so big. It makes, look, hi. it makes this bathroom feel huge. And honestly, I've been in bathrooms smaller than this. So then we have the toilet paper hook, even a freaking dryer. Oh my goodness. Which, I mean, honestly, I've been learning to just air dry, but oh my, the toilet pumps, interesting, down to underneath it, right? And then, oh my. So then let's see, this sink is blender, it's oh, and the little candle, and the for the, and can I open this?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my goodness. It is so neat in here. I love how everything is compartmentalized. The shelving is perfectly placed with enough space for all the piping in the back and electrical stuff. And